Welcome to Milltown Threads, a glimpse into history, presented by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today's presentation is Oh Darn. In the past, people who were thrifty would repair their worn out clothing and socks with holes instead of just throwing it away. And they would use darning. Darning is a sewing technique for repairing holes in worn out areas. I'm using a contrasting thread, a color, so that you can see my work. This is a darning egg. It's made of wood and it's inserted into the sock. Here we are repairing the heel, and this will catch the needle. When it goes in, it goes against that wood and comes out very easily for the stitches. So this is darning, repairing clothing instead of throwing it away. Thank you.